Time has come to use the cash. Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed Saleh, and this is a weekly market recap. Now to the key messages. Market has stopped going down for the first time in 5 weeks. We were going down week after week, and last week was the first time that the market is stabilizing and moving horizontally. The momentum stocks are continuing their rebound. We have seen last week that the momentum stocks are rebounding, so this week is a continuation of the last week. We clearly have a bottom that is being formed now, but there is no guarantee that this will hold. Any bad news, especially from Trump, he can just in a day ruin the market, and we can see the continuation of the trend going down. So be careful about this. So last week was the first week in 5 weeks that the market stopped going down. The rebound is small, it is not that big, but at least we stopped going down. This in itself a good news. March will be one of the worst months if it didn't manage to rebound next week. The year to date is still very negative, and from top we are in a correction territory in the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000. Because the market was going down throughout the last 5 weeks, the valuation of the stocks is now in line with the last 5 years average. They are still above the 10-year average, but at least it is not overvaluated right now. Last week we had also the Federal Reserve meeting, and initially we had the conference call, which was a very good conference call by Jerome Powell. He was calming the market, but I think after that people realized that there is bad news, but the market didn't go down on this bad news. The main thing over here is that we have seen the change in real GDP is going down from 2.1 to 1.7. Unemployment is going up from 4.3 to 4.4. And also the inflation is going up from 2.5 to 2.7, and the core PCE inflation is 2.5 to 2.8. So this news was not welcomed by the market. So there are two bad news. The growth of the economy is decelerating and the inflation is going high. On the chart, we have seen that last week the market was able to break the downward trend and move horizontally. Last time we talked about that we have three options, either a no bottom or temporary or permanent bottom. Now we can rule out the option of no bottom. We clearly have a bottom that is forming right now, and we have seen that 4 out of the 5 days the market is closing with a green candle, which means that there are buyers in the market. Especially on Friday we have a huge volume, and with a green candle that was a very good sign. And also the MACD is giving us an entry signal over here. Clearly we are forming a bottom, but as I am always saying, this bottom can be a temporary bottom or a permanent bottom, and it means that at any point of time, if Trump gave a bad news like he used to do in the past 5 weeks, then we will have the market resuming the trend downward. So just be careful about that. When we say get your cash ready, it means that there are opportunities in the market, but it means as well that you always have to have your stop loss ready, just in case of any bad news. So momentum stocks continue with the rebounding, and we mentioned that last week the market was going down, but the momentum stock stopped declining and some of them went up. This week is also a continuation of the rebound of the momentum stock. So I have highlighted in green any stock that is going up in the last 2 weeks. And these are the stocks that you should really consider to go in and do some shopping now. Yes, there are down a lot from the top, but this is a time when you go and do your shopping. You go and do your shopping when there is a sales, when there is a discount in the market, and clearly we have a sales and a discount. Some stocks are down 30 and 40%. So this is clearly an opportunity that you can grasp. What if the market didn't continue to go up? You just go out. You have your stop loss ready and you go out if the market continued to go downward. Okay, but at least now you have some signs that you can go in now and start initiating some position. I would suggest that you start creating position with 30% of your cash and then start increasing this percentage gradually. I have also posted a video that explains what is my 5-star system, and I give 15 stocks that you can consider buying. So I will post the link to the video at the end. Next week, on Thursday, we have the GDP. We expect 2.3%. Friday, we have also the core PCE data. And on April 2nd, I got this question about April 2nd, the tariff that are going to start. So this news, I expect that it is already discounted in the market. So I expect that the traders and investors are already expecting this to happen, and it's already discounted in the price of the market. So I don't expect that we will see another drop because of this news on April 2nd. For the trading strategy, I'm still for gold and silver. And as I talked, I'm also for initiating some position in the stocks that were hammered during the past 5 weeks. That will be all for today. If you like the video, please press like and share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and put any question in the comment. This video is for education purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Any trade you make is at your own risk. Have a profitable trade, everyone. Thank you very much.